In this video, I'm going to show you how to create purchase orders. First, click at the Create New PO button on the left side. In the first tab, you will be able to choose the department and to add the supplier information for your purchase order. Just select the relevant department from the drop-down field. Ideally, the system also knows the supplier information already, since our database saves all previously added supplier data. That way you don't have to add the supplier details twice. The system will do it all for you. If you have to enter new supplier information, you might want to update or add the address details. As an option, you can also add a contact person here. Once you are done in this section, press Next to get to the item section. Here, you can add as many items as you want. Just click on the Add button and fill out the required fields. In this example, let's request to buy a printer for $200 US. Once you click Add, you will see a summary of all the information you have entered. If you want, you can add a delivery address or the general information for all items. Once you are done, press Send. As you can see, the purchase order went through. In this screen, you can see your purchase order ID, which is a unique number and won't be used by the system ever again. Once you press Continue, you will see that your purchase order is already waiting for its final approval. The moment the PO gets a final approval, everybody in the approval chain will receive a confirmation email with a PDF report attached. One last tip. If you want to create an identical or similar PO again, you don't have to type in all the information for a second time. Just click on the Copy button, make your adjustments, press Send, and there is your next purchase order with a new ID.